Hello, Morris class. It's Miss Bake here, and welcome to your Tuesday maths lesson. It is the 2nd of March 2021. I had to say that slow because I was about to say February, but it is not. It is the 2nd of March 2021. Okay, today's learning objective is, can I draw and interpret a block diagram? Can I interpret and draw a block diagram? Okay, we are going to be looking at block diagrams today. Now, you might be thinking, Miss Vague, what is a block diagram? Well, this is a block diagram, as you can see in front of you. It is sometimes known as a block graph or a bar. I'm just going to call it a block diagram. Now, this link to the video is in the description box below. What is a block graph, but we are going to call it diagram, and how do I draw one? So please enjoy that video. It's only 2 minutes and 48 seconds, and once you come back we will carry on with the rest of our maths lesson. So see you in 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay, welcome back, Morris class. I hope you've got a basic understanding of what a block diagram is, and now using that basic understanding, let's build upon that knowledge and carry on with our lesson. So what does the number line with the orange blocks show? So firstly, let's find the number line that has the orange blocks. It is the one on the left-hand side. Okay, so it says one block. There's a number line and it is from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 10. Okay, what does it show? It shows that there is 1, 2. So let me just get my pen ready. I can see that there's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4 blocks. There are 4 blocks, and that is why it is in line with number 4, because there are 4 blocks. It's a bit like a ruler. It's measuring it almost, isn't it? It's measuring the block. Now, how about what is the same about the 2 number lines? So the 2 number lines, what is the same? Have a think. What is the same is that they both start from 0 and they both go up from 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. And what is the same is that there are 4 blocks. So let's count how many blocks there are in this the green blocks. 2, 3, and 4. So again, there are 4 blocks, and it's a bit like a ruler. It's measuring the height. So the height is how tall something is of the blocks. Okay, now what is different about the 2 number lines? Oh, sorry. What is different about the 2 number lines? Can you think of anything? Well done. So when we look at this block here, it's like a tower. It's standing up straight. It's in a column. But the other one, the green one, is in a row. It's sort of lying down. So that is the difference between them. But they both have 4 blocks. So they are both equal. Okay. Don't know what that says there. That should say, let's see what that should say. Let's place the block towers to fit in the chart. Okay, now, the thing to pay attention here is that one block, so it's a bit like Lego blocks, like I have here. I have Lego blocks, just like this. So now, the green, I don't have 4 green. I only have 1 green and 3 blue, so we'll just use that. Let's just pretend these are all green. So we're going to take one, and it says here's green, so I know that they need to go like this. And in a block diagram, everything is in either a straight column or a row. Majority of the time they are in columns, okay? So I can't do this. If there are 4 blocks that are green, I can't just do this. Can you see? Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, let's just move on. Right, 7 yellow. Yellow, right, okay, let's do it. Right, here we go. And here we go. Yeah, that can go in the red one. Oh, stop, Miss Big. That is most definitely what a bad one looks like. That is not what a good one looks like at all. So let's start again. Just like we saw in the video at the beginning of the lesson. When we draw a block diagram, we need to place the blocks very neatly and carefully on top of one another. Just like I have built a block tower of 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to build them very carefully. Next. And, oh, nice. And next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, do I need any more? No, because it's telling me that there are only 4 green blocks. Now, how many yellow blocks are there? Can you tell me? Shout it to your screen. Well done, 7. So, oh, I'll just put it here. Oh, sorry, have I done something wrong? Oh no, yes, that's not the right color. Oh, I need to put it next to yellow. Thank you, Morris class. I almost forgot there. So I've got 2. Now I'm going to place it nice and neat on top of each other. That's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, and that's 7. Okie dokie. I've placed them nice and neat right on top of each other. Now, how many red blocks do I need to put into my block graph? Well done. And how do you know that? Because it says the red block equals 10. It's telling me, so this is a bit like our key that we use in a pictogram. It's telling me exactly how many objects I need to put in. So that's 1 there. Let's keep going. Right. Now I need to do this very, very carefully. So I'm going to try and do it as quick but as carefully as possible. So bear with me very quickly, okay, Morris? Thank you. You are being super sensible, waiting for me. Now, how many have I got so far? I don't need to count them. I don't need to count them going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can just check. I'm up to number 6 at the moment. So I now need to go up to here, up to number 10. So I don't even need to count them one at a time. I just need to keep placing them and make sure that I'm looking on the left-hand side at the numbers so I know that I don't put more than 10 because I can only have 10 red squares because that is what I need to do. That's the information. I've done it. Well done. Let's pat ourselves on the back. Now this is an example of how you build block towers. Okay, now this is a block diagram. Using the block diagram, complete the table. Okay, so I can see in our block diagram, we have one up to number 6, and it starts from 0, and it says pie, it says pizza, it says fish, and it says pasta. So this is their school lunch. And then over here, there is a chart. Now, it's saying number of children. Okay, so how many children like pie? How many? Can you tell me? Each block represents 1. 1. 1 child likes pie. How many children like pizza? Can you count for me? And then shout it to your screen. Or hold your fingers up. Well done. 4. 4 children. Now, if I were to do a tally, I'll do a tally chart in a minute as well. Tally marks, not a chart. Now, how many children like fish? That must be fish and chip day. Well done. 5. And lastly, how many children like pizza? Well done. 3. Now let's do my tally marks. There we go. Now, looking at this block diagram, which one is the tallest tower? Well done. It is fish. Fish is the tallest tower, and you can tell because look, I can compare the heights, how tall they are. So I know, without even looking at anything, I know that fish is the most popular lunch. Now, using that same logic, can you tell me which lunch is the least favorite? Which lunch is the least favorite? Well done, it is pie. And we know that because it has the shortest tower. Okie dokie. Now, let's move on to the next part. So again, we're going to look at this block diagram, and it says animals at the bottom. So these are all of the animals, okay, that are present in a zoo. It says, how many snakes are there? Show me on your fingers, Morris class. How many snakes are there? Look at the block diagram. Well done. There are 4 snakes. How many lizards are there? Lizards. How many lizards are there altogether in the zoo? Show me on your fingers. Well done. 6. And finally, how many more alligators are there than turtles? So first, how many alligators are there? Show me on your fingers. 5. There are 5 alligators. How many turtles are there? 2. How many more alligators are there than turtles? What is 5 take away 2? 5 take away 2. 3. There are 3 more alligators. More alligators. Oh, I forgot the I. Alligators than turtles. Okie dokie. Now we have come to your part of this lesson, Morris class. It is your turn to complete your challenge. So this is a block diagram and it shows the different children's favourite colours. Now, can you answer which colour is the most popular? Now, remember, when you're looking at how popular something is, or what is the favourite, or which one has the most and which one has the fewest or least, you look at the height of the tower. So I can tell that yellow is the tallest tower. So the most popular colour is yellow. How many people chose blue as their favourite? So find blue and then look across. So now you have to look at blue and then you have to stop here and you have to put your finger all the way across. What number is this? 9. So 9 people chose blue as their favourite colour. Which colour is the least popular? I think you can do that one by yourself. Okie dokie, let's move on to challenge 2, question 2. The tally chart shows how many of each item there is in a classroom. So there are 4 scissors, there are 9 glue sticks, and there are 6 pens. Now, do the totals match the tallies? Now, it says 4. Is that 4 tally marks? Put a tick or fix it. Now, this says 9. Is there 9 tally marks here? Just double check. Someone's trying to trick you. And are there 6 tally marks here for pens? Oh, count again. Okay, now it says use cubes to make towers showing how many scissors, how many glues and how many pens there are. For example, if I were to make a tower of blocks using my Lego and I wanted to show the amount of scissors, now I saw that there were 4 scissors in the classroom, so I'm going to use my blocks here and I'm going to make a tower. So here's 1. Oh, let me move my tab out of the way. Here is 1. That's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. I have made a tower showing how many scissors there are in the classroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 scissors in the classroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. If you do not have Lego at home, then please feel free to just draw the blocks, okay? You are more than welcome to just draw the blocks instead of using actual towers. Or you could use something else. So if it's, I don't know, it doesn't have to be a block. It could be something else like shoe boxes, for example. You could add those together. Okie dokie. And then last one, it says draw a block diagram using the tally chart and your cubes to help. So you need to draw a block diagram using this information from the tally chart. Okay, challenge 3, question 3. At the zoo, Mo keeps a record of how many big cats he sees. So that's a lion, a leopard, cheetah, lion, and tiger. 1 paw print equals 2 big cats. Dora has tried to show the same information on a block diagram, but she has made a mistake. Complete the block diagram so that it is correct. Okay, oh, I can see the mistake already. Looking at tigers, looking at, oh, leopard. Right, okay. And then finally, your extension question, Morris class, is look at the 3 sets of data below. So there's 1 piece of data, that's the 2nd piece of data, and that's a 3rd piece of data. There's 3 different charts here or graphs. What is the same and what is different? So it's all of the same. Now, one thing that is the same in all of the charts or the pieces of data is that it is the same flavor of milkshake. Berry, banana, and vanilla. Now, your job is to find the difference. Okay, Morris class, we have come to the end of our maths lesson. Now, actually, we have come to the end of our formal maths lesson for this entire home learning that we have been doing. The next 2 maths lessons that I am going to share with you is actually a project. So it's a maths project. So for Wednesday's maths, what you will be doing is you will completing a project. Now within that project, I will do a different video for this, but you will be collecting information, so collecting data, and you'll be producing a tally chart of all of the different things in your house. And then the next day, on Thursday, your job will be to then, from that tally chart, complete a pictogram or a bar graph. Okay, a block diagram, sorry. So you can either choose to do a pictogram or a block diagram, whichever one you choose, whichever one you find more comfortable with. Okie dokie, Morris class, we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed. Until tomorrow, take care, stay safe, stay in there, stay strong. You have been fantastic, mostly parents, for supporting your children at home. Take care. Bye-bye.